Aloha mai kako. How's everybody doing today? I hope mai ka'i. Yeah? Awesome. So now we're going to get started with the usuals. We're going to do our protocol, our oli, to begin our day. So I'm going to ask everybody to prepare their bodies for our oli, e ala e kahikie, and we'll have the screen pop up in a few seconds so you guys have the words to look at and refer to. Now, again, I want to remind everybody that the reason we do oli is to prepare our whole selves for learning or whatever work we're going to do for the day. Now, long ago in Ikawakahiko, in the ancient times, Hawaiians, Kanaka would use oli and protocol for like all throughout the day, whether they were gathering medicines, whether they were preparing to go out and fish for the day. After the fishing, they would come back in and leave an offering and an oli, just to be thankful and always show gratitude. And this way of preparing ourselves really is quite powerful, and it can be used in any type of circumstances. This oli in particular is so beautiful. I've shared it over the past couple of years. It was taught to me by a kupunahira Moloka'i e ala e kahikie, and we would do it with the keiki. And a couple of times I reminded the keiki that when your voice is the most powerful gift that you can give. Sometimes we go to these special events or we go to someone's house and we don't have anything to give, but we want to mahalo them. And in Hawaii, we believe that one of the most powerful makana or gifts you can give is your voice. So I would remind the kids before we did the oli every day that we need to come from a very humble place of aloha when we do our oli. And nature and the universe can feel those energies. And I said, watch, you know, if you really mean what you're saying during this oli, you'll see some really amazing things showing themselves and appearing to you. And you just have to be aware and observe. So a few times we did the oli and this beautiful auku'u bird or a night heron came and it flew right in front of all of us and it landed right in front of us. And it stayed there because it could hear the children's voices doing this oli so powerfully. A few other times we would do it and we would just see fish jump out of the water in front of us. Schools of baby fish fluttering all over the place. And so that was just evidence that your voice has so much mana. So I want you to go to that place today in our last official session of this Papa Olelo Hawaii and Papa Ike Hawaii. I want you to really go to that place in your na'au where you feel all of your mana and your guidance. This is your na'au never steers you wrong. We believe that we feel and we think from here in our na'au, not so much here. This will never steer you wrong. I promise that. So we want to go to that place right now. And we want to use our powerful voices from down here. Not so much a head voice when we oli. So we're not doing e ala e kahike. We're not doing that. I want you to go a little bit deeper. Channel into your mana, and it should sound like this. E ala e kahike. Okay, so let's do it all together and let's take it to that place today. All right, makaukau, hands by your side, lavena oli. E ala e kahike. 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 E hume I kamalo. E hume I kamalo. Ai ika ai. Ai ika ai. Pa'ali mai ka hoi. Pa'ali mai ka hoi. Ah hoia. Ah hoia. E ala e kahike. 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 E hume I kamalo. E hume I kamalo. Ai ika ai. Ai ika ai. Pa'ali mai ka hoi. Pa'ali mai ka hoi. Ah hoia. Ah hoia. E ala e kahike. 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 E hume I kamalo. E hume I kamalo. Ai ika ai. Ai ika ai. Pa'ali mai ka hoi. Pa'ali mai ka hoi. Ah hoia. Ah hoia. Woo! Ke waka mai ka'i he nani ko mau leo. Your voices are so beautiful. I can just feel your mana. Okay, so we're going to move to our olelo no eao, as we always do, to prepare ourselves for the rest of the day, get our mana o kala, our thought of the day, and center ourselves. Okay, so the olelo no eao for today, I want you to repeat after me. He lala no vau. He lala no vau. No ku'ukumu.
No ku'ukumu.
One more time. Let's do the whole thing. I'm going to do it by myself, and then you repeat it. He la la no vau no ku'ukumu.
La no vau no ku'ukumu.
Beautiful. All right. And the translation is right. I like that, these chats. I'm feeling it too. Mahalo. So let's look at the translation right below the Olelo Hawaii, the Olelo No'ia. I am a branch of my tree. And you're like, what? I'm not a branch. I'm not a part of a tree. But this is poetry. Olelo Hawaii loves to speak in kauna or poetry. Kauna, the hidden meaning or the deeper meaning. So yes, it means I am a branch of my tree, or kumu. The word for tree is kumu, just like teacher, like me. So we have this deeper meaning. I am a branch of the tree that has raised me and taught me. I am a product or the outcome or the extension of all those who have taught me. So we need to treat ourselves as such and keep ourselves grounded like a strong kumula'au, like a strong tree planted deep, deep roots in what we know is pono and what we know is right by our teachings, right? So I'm going to ask you guys for a quick chat input. I want to know, who or what has acted as a tree, a strong tree, to support you as a branch throughout your life? For myself, I've been so blessed with wonderful kumu. My first kumu was Auntie Nona Beamer, one of the best storytellers on the planet. She taught me from kindergarten, first grade. Keiki Kawai, another beautiful kumu that works at Hilo. I had, some of my best teachers, Mr. Sunli, 5th grade, loved you. Mrs. Nuuhiva. I had all these great teachers. So I want you guys to type in. Some chant said, my dad. Nice. Yes, dad teaches you a lot of really valuable things, for sure. My co-workers, what a beautiful one. What a great thing to work in such a supportive workplace, yeah? My family and my teachers, grandparents, yes, beautiful. Ed Shea, we have plenty chef, plants that reach for me. I love this. My kumu at Hula, my makua, my mother, my hula teacher. Yes, I've learned so much from my hula kumu. Kumu Kaleho Mai, what a beautiful name. Parents and grandma, mom. Yes, so always remember, stay firm and planted in those kumula'au that nourished you and fed you all this beautiful ike to make you the best kanaka and human being that you can be. I see my papa and tutu, my mommy, ko'u mama, ko'u hula kumu, my papa, my mom, I love grandparents, my family. Those are the perfect answers. Sometimes we don't have the most perfect situation at home. And that's why it's so important that we have other supportive people around us that can serve as our kumu. Kumu don't always come in the form as family members, as we all know, yeah? They come in all kinds of forms. They can even come in the form of something that we do, practice that we do. Like, one of my kumus was working on the aina and getting my hands dirty. I learned so much just from observation and experience. My paleontologist friend, paleontologists are like the coolest people ever. I wanted to do that when I was little, so did my son. So my ka'i, I love all this feedback, ohana and coaches, mahalo, my BFFs, all these strong kumula'au to hold us up. So my po'ina, don't forget that. While we feel isolated during this time, remember we can always reach out to all of our loving kumu to support us and talk to us and guide us. Yeah, and remember those teachings. Remember those teachings and hold them dear to your pu'uvai, to your heart. Okay, now we're gonna ask a real quick survey. So I wanna know how many people are watching on the screen in front of you. And I also wanna know how old are our students that are sitting in front of the screen. So there's gonna be a survey that asks those 2 questions that pops up. And I just want some feedback. Now, this feedback really, first of all, it helps me to feel out you guys and connect with you guys, but it also helps us to guide us into building more classes and more curriculum. Can we get that survey? Beautiful. Okay, so I see ages, the ages survey. Let's see how old you guys are. Put those ages in there. How many people are watching in your household? Wow, cool. Nice. Whoa, we have some families with 4 people in front of the TV. I love that. or the computer or the iPad, whatever you're watching it on. I'd highly recommend a computer if you have one. I'm a little bit bigger on the computer screen. Okay, just me today, 36. I love that, 67 years old. Aloha, thank you so much for joining us. You're never, ever too old to learn, right? I'm 46 and I love learning new stuff every day. So I commend all of you for joining us today and making a change to invite Olelo Hawaii and Ike Hawaii into your life for more positive grounding. The poll isn't working. Shoots. Kalani. I hope that the poll is working for everybody. We're trying to get our technical stuff all together. Just me today, 43. Karina, aloha, 6 and 7. Beautiful. Thanks, guys, for joining us today. Now, I also wanted to move on to something that you guys are getting really familiar with. So we're going to move on to the part of our ha'awina, our lesson, where we talk about the mahina. Oh, actually, we move on. Let's look at the poll of where you're from. I didn't get to see that one. Can we get the poll of where you're from? Molokai, Oahu, Maui. We got teachers, we got people from all over. Oh, Lake Tahoe. Ah, Olena's teacher, my ka'i. Just you because your brother is not there. I am from Oahu, Eva Beach. My ka'i. Very good. Okay, and then let's get our ages. How old is everybody? I got some feedback in the chat, but we want to get it on that poll over there. When we look at all the statistics, it helps us to go, okay, we have a lot of kids who are between 5 and 9 years old. We have students that are between 40 and 70 years old. So it really helps us to design. Wow, West Coast, still in the house. Hawaii Island, nice. Molokai, Maui, and Oahu. And of course, we're recorded. So if anybody missed it, you can go back and watch. If you like this episode, you can go back and watch. If you want to practice hula, you can go back and watch, okay? All right, beautiful. Twins, oh, so blessed with twins. Nice, thank you guys for putting in your input, all of the chat stuff. Oahu palolo, I love palolo, my ka'i. All these brothers and sisters. Okay, let's move on to the next part of our program. Like I said, let's revisit the mahina. Oh, we love the mahina. And I hope that all of you have been observing and watching the mahina a little differently than we did before this class. We appreciate it a little bit more. We know that there's so much of a deeper story behind mahina. And in the old days, we would use the mahina to pretty much regulate a lot of our practices, from ceremony to fishing, to planting, to gathering, to preparing certain types of medicines and how long you let the medicines sit and ferment. So it's so important to observe the mahina. And once you start doing that, you actually see the difference, huge difference, especially when you make those fruitful poi poi days in the middle really productive. You do a lot of things, yeah. Like I said, the ole nights, ole means 0. We want to just do the whole hum things, the cleaning of the house, the organizing, the everyday type of thing on the ole nights, yeah. So let's look at where we are today. On Tuesday, it was Kaloa Ku. It was Ole Pau, yes. Tuesday was Ole Pau. So let's look at the last row, Emmy, which means the waning moons. It's getting smaller. We're on Ole Pau. So let's count 2 days from Ole Pau. Okay, so the first day is Kaloa Kukahi. That was yesterday. And then a little bit more up the pointer. And then Kaloa Kulua is today. Okay, so Kaloa Kulua. Let's practice our sentence and we'll fill it in with Kaloa Kulua on the bottom. So I'm going to ask you the question, Okapo mahina hea keia, which moon phase is this? And you're going to answer me Okapo, and then we'll fill it in with that moon phase name. Kaloa Kulua keia. Keia means this, po, night. Okay, so this night or phase is Kaloa Kulua. So let's practice saying that together. I'm going to ask you the question. Okapo mahina hea keia. Okapo kaloa kulua keia. Let's practice that again. Okapo mahina keia. Okapo kaloa kulua keia. One more time for good luck, because we got to practice our puana and our pronunciation. Okapo mahina hea keia. Okapo kaloa kulua keia. Beautiful. All right, so I found these really cool cards that someone gifted me a while back. You know, we work a lot out of the local ER, the fish pond, and we do a lot of educational groups. And sometimes they gift us with the coolest things. So I got gifted with this card pack of all the mahina. And on the back of it, it actually has what is my ka'i for that day. So if you see that, it'll show you all the details of what is my ka'i for the day. So it says kalua kulua, yeah? And then it has what the moon looks like. And then it actually tells you when it's gonna rise and set and what's good to do on that day. So I'm gonna read it to you, just in case you wanna be productive and align yourself with the mahina today, okay? So it says that kalua kulua moonrise happens at late night. So it didn't even rise yet. We're gonna see it rise later on tonight, okay? And it'll rise from the east, just like the sun. And then it's gonna go across the sky and it'll set, kalua kulua moon set in the afternoon. So it's gonna set probably tomorrow afternoon. How cool is that? So we're gonna see it rise up, let the moon rise late night, and then it'll go all through the night, and then it'll set in the afternoon, okay? So how cool is that? And then it says, mahi'ai, the good, or farming, the good kind planting is to plant ko, sugar cane, vauke, which is what we make our kapa cloth out of, the mulberry plant, and hala, like lau hala, we use for weaving, mai'a, which is banana. We just cut down a whole bunch of bananas. Our bananas are going crazy right now. And ohe, ohe is bamboo, okay? Now it says that the lava'i'a, or the fishing that's good for today, it's a good fishing in, it's good to go fishing in lagoons and offshore. So lagoon meaning like a big flat area that's all sand, yeah, shallow water that's all sand, no reef, and offshore. Okay, so that's what we want to do today if you guys want to be productive. Now these cards can be bought at homaikapono.org. Okay, and you can get, they have a whole new set now. They're even all these vibrant colors. So we'll move on to the next screen and we'll practice our bele ko'i honua about the creation of the islands. Now I hope with every class you guys are getting stronger and stronger and more confident in this. And just like our oli at the beginning, it's supposed to be done from that place. From the place of Na'au, yeah? And so you really want to envision this birthing of islands, you know, the huge mana and power that has to go into creating Earth, right? So we want to go to that place and see those things in our head, the imagery and the visions in our head of the Hawaiian Islands rising above the sea and coming to be, okay? So I'm going to do the first line that is bolded, o wa kia nohoia papaha nao moku, and you guys will respond with the two lines below, and we'll follow all the way through. So let's do a rough run through of it, and then we'll do it one more time and make it real strong. If you feel like giving it on this first time, go for it, okay? So remember when we do oli, we align ourselves, our piko up here, which connects us. This is the piko that aligns us with the past, and our kupuna that are in the higher realm. Our piko that is here, we all know our piko down here, yeah, our navel. And then we have our piko, which is our ma'i down below. So the piko, the middle piko connects us to this present, yeah, and our mother that gave birth to us in this lifetime. And then our other piko is our ma'i down below, and that is actually the channel or the piko that will give birth to the future generation. So we have 3 piko, 1, 2, and down below. We want to stand real straight so we can align all of them, okay? Hands by your side. Okay, and ho'omaka, curl yourself, prepare yourself. Come at me, girls. Come stand by me so they can see your beautiful faces. There's my girls, okay? O wa kia noho ya papaha nao moku.
Hano Hawaii he moku. Hano Maui he moku.
Ho'i ho wa kia noho ya ho'oku kalani.
Hano Molokai he moku. Hano Lana I Kaula he moku.
Lili o pu puna lua o papaya ho'oku kalani. Ho'i ho papa noho ya wa kia.
Hano Oahu he moku. Hano Kauai he moku. Hano Ni'ihau he moku. He ula o ka ho'olare.
Ah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, even though you guys are practicing the response part of it, once I let you go today or any other time, practice my part too. If you have a sibling or another person, or even just practice by yourself, the whole thing by yourself, right? So it's not like only Kumu can do the leader of the alaka'i part. I'm just doing it for now. But I would love to in time invite some of you to be the alaka'i on one of these little screens and to lead all of us. So let's do it one more time. Align your piko. E ku, make a ha'aheo, stand with pride and strength and aloha. Okay? O wa ke aloha ya papahana moku.
Hano Hawaii he moku. Hano Maui he moku.
Hoi ho wa ke aloha ya ho ku kalani.
Hano Molokai he moku. Hano Lanai Kaula he moku.
Lili o pu puna lua o papa ya ho ku kalani. Hoi ho papa no ho ya wa ke.
Hano Oahu he moku. Hano Kauai he moku. Hano Ni'ihau he moku. He ula o ka ho'olawe.
Woo! I can feel the chicken skin. Well, manene, I can feel all your mana so overflowing today. Mai ka'iloa, mai ka'iloa. E hia mo menuke? Oh, mai ka'i. Okay, so now we're going to learn our lesson, our new lesson for today. So we'll go to our next slide. Now we learned how to greet each other. We learned what are our different greetings. We have aloha, we have velina, we have hui, we have ano ai. So we learned all of those, yeah, in this, I think it was the second class, second papa. We also learned how to ask somebody how you are, right? Pehea oi, how are you? And then we answer by saying mai ka'iwau, or if you're sick, ma'iwau. If you're tired, maluhiluhiwau. And we can learn all kinds of different vocab, and we just put that state that you feel like today, and then vo, which means I after it, right? So we can answer all kinds of different ways. We also learned how to ask the person back, and how are you? A'o'oi. So we say, oh, mai ka'iwau, a'o'oi, right? We want to be considerate and ask them back. And then we also learned how to say goodbye. What are things that we say when we say aloha ahui ho? We say aloha ahui ho, malama pono, kia kua pu, which means God bless. So we have all these different beautiful things we can say to each other. Now, we get to move a little bit more deeper into this conversation, okay? Owai ko inoa, which means what is your name? Owai means who. It doesn't mean what. Why do we use owai instead of what? What is heaha? But we're not using heaha ko inoa, like what is your name? We're saying owai ko inoa, who is your name? And the reason we do that is because we identify ourselves with our mo'okuauhau, those that came before. This piko connects us to the realm before, right? So we are identified by our lineage, by our family line, by our family tree. We call it mo'okuauhau. Everybody say mo'o, ku'o, hau. Now let's say the whole thing. Mo'okuauhau. And our mo'okuauhau is the line that connects us all the way to the beginning of time. Okay, so when I ask you, who is your name? I'm literally asking you, who are you from? Who is in your being that made you so that you're here today in front of us? All the people that contributed to making you. And that's usually in the name, yeah? So the name holds so much mana'o. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you, Owai koinoa, what is your name? And you would respond, if you look over to the pueo on the other side, the owl, he's gonna answer. And it says, o blank ko'u inoa, okay? So o, always, the okina o always goes before a proper name, okay? Always before a proper name. So it's gonna be o, and then I would put maile ko'u inoa. O maile ko'u inoa. My name is Maile, okay? So we're gonna practice this with Kapili, and then I actually wanna ask for volunteers that are out there, if you put in aloha down below, that means that you're willing to be one of my partners in this conversation. I'm gonna ask you owai ko inoa, and you're gonna answer o blank ko'u inoa. And we're gonna pop your screen up, so let's see who's brave out there. We're gonna do a practice with Kapili, and then we'll pick somebody out there to pop up on the screen, okay? Hey, aloha Kapili. Oh, I just said her name. That was so silly of me, okay. Owai ko inoa.
O Kapili ko inoa. Owai ko inoa.
O maile ko inoa. My God, and we have some volunteers. Okay, Kalani, let's see. Let's bring up. Oh, let's bring up Tiare. Can we bring up Tiare? Can we bring up Tiare? Tiare, can you share your screen? You would have to press the video thing and the mute thing in your corner, the bottom left corner. And then Kalani is gonna pop you up. Oh, there's Lisa. Hey, let's see Lisa. All right. Hey, aloha, Lisa. Can you press unmute? Are you unmuted?
Yeah.
Cool. Perfect. Okay, let's practice this, Lisa. Where are you calling from?
Oahu.
Oahu. Maikai, are you ready? Are you makoko?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Hi.
All right. Ovai ko inoa.
O Lisa ko inoa. O vai ko.
O maile ko inoa. Mahalo. Great job, Maikai Loa, Lisa. Ahui ho. Let's bring up another volunteer. Ahui ho. Anybody else want to volunteer? Let's see. Can we bring up one more, Kalani, from this list of volunteers that said aloha? And then we have one more coming up after this, so we'll pick one of you for this next one too. Let's practice ovai ko inoa. Let's see. Oh, kaleho mai. Aloha. Ame tiare. Aloha.
Hi.
Let's practice with both of you. Aloha. So I'll practice with Tiare first.
I took a break from work.
Tiare, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Ovai ko inoa.
O tiare ko inoa, ko unoa, ko u inoa.
Maikai. Now ask me back.
O vai ko u inoa.
O maile ko u inoa. Maikai. Maikai. Thank you, Tiare. Ahui ho. Mahalo. Give a kiss to everybody. Kaleho mai. Aloha kaleho mai. Are you unmuted? Can I hear your beautiful voice?
Hi.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Makoko? Ovai ko inoa.
O kailani ko o inoa. O vai ko inoa.
Oh, o maile ko inoa. Mahalo. Kalani ko inoa. O kalani ko inoa.
Kailani.
Kalani.
My mom.
Kanani.
Kuleho
Kanani.
mai
Oh,
is my mom.
oh, my kai. Kanani. Kanani.
No, kailani.
Oh, my kai.
Kailani.
Nani ko. Oh, okay. My kai for joining us. Ahui ho, tita. Malama. Bye. Let's go to our next screen. Now let's learn how to say, where are you from? Okay, so we get into a conversation with somebody and we meet them for the first time. We walk into a party and they say, oh, what is your name? Where are you from? And they go, oh, my name is Maile. I'm from Molokai, right? And you ask them back, what is your name? Where are you from? And that's how you start to make friends, right? So the next question is, where are you from? No hea mai oi. Okay, and you'll see the cute little ram over there in the corner. No hea mai oi. Where are you from? And the mama hen, the mama chicken answers, no, blank mayao. No, Molokai mayao. She's a Molokai chicken. She lives in my backyard. No, Molokai mayao. Let's just pretend, right? All right. So I need volunteers for this one. So you're basically going to fill in that blank with where you're from. Okay. So me and Kapili are going to practice and then we'll get more volunteers. Just say aloha. Okay. And we'll pick whoever wants to try or whoever we can fit in for today. Okay. No hea mai oi.
No Molokai mayo. No hea mai oi.
No Molokai mayo. Mahalo. Very good. Okay, we need some volunteers, Kalani. Let's bring them up. I want to see all their beautiful faces. It's been a mystery all this time. So I finally get to see all of you guys and hear your voices. Okay, Ryan. Oi.
Hi.
Hi, Ryan. How are you doing today? Oi, Mai Kai.
Mai kai.
Mai Kai today.
Mai
Kai. Are you Makoko?
Hi.
Okay. No hea mai oi.
No ever my oi. No hea mai.
Say no ever mai yao.
My ow. No ever my ow.
One more time. No
No
ever
my
mai yao.
ow.
My ow.
Perfect. Thank you, Ryan. Ahui ho.
Hello.
Okay, we'll have one more volunteer. Can we have one more volunteer, Kalani?
Okay, Kumu's gonna change it now.
One more volunteer so I can ask where you guys are from. Bye. Ahui ho, Ryan. Malama pono. We have so many. You guys are all so brave. Fearless. Vivo ole. I love it. Okay, and next week's class, we're gonna do a longer class. And I'm gonna have a lot more info. Okay. Oh, look at that cool background. The Golden Gate Bridge, rain, maluhia, mai kai. Let's see your beautiful face. Where are you? Hey, how's it, Rain? Aloha.
Wait, who are you?
You makau? You makau? No hea mai oi.
Mai kai.
Oh, mai kai. Let me ask you, who are we talking to? We're talking to Rain. Are you ready, Rain? It says Rain
Aye.
maluhia. Okay. No hea mai oi.
No Waikiki Mayo.
No way he came out.
Wee-hee, Waikiki. Hey, that's where I was born. That was my birth sense, Waikiki. Mai kai, mahalo. Ahui ho. Thank you for volunteering, being so brave. Good. So now we know how to say, how are you doing? Where are you from? What's your name? Okay, so me and Kapila are gonna act out the whole thing real quick. Okay, and this is what a simple conversation when you first meet somebody would sound like. Okay. Aloha, Kapili. Pehea oi.
Mai kahio. Pea oi.
Actually, you know what? Let's do it without your name because I'm not supposed to know your name. Okay. Aloha. O vai ko inoa.
O ka pili ko uinoa. O vai ko inoa.
O maile ko inoa. No hea mai oi.
No moloka I mai au. No hea mai oi.
Oh, no mola ka i mai au. Pehea oi.
Mai kai. A o oi.
Oh, ano mai kai. Mahalo. Ahui ho. Malama pono. You guys learn how to do all that. How cool is that, right? Beautiful. Yay. Give yourselves a big pailima, big round of applause. Proud of all of you guys. You guys know how to start and lay the foundation for the beginning of a conversation. And we're just going to grow and grow and grow. Like I said, we're offering more and more classes that we're planning on. We're working really hard on right now. So I want you guys to grow along with us. Okay, mai kai. Now let's see. Let's do the hula. This last session, we got to jam the hula. A lot of you guys, we might go about 5 minutes over today. If you guys can stick here with me, stay here with me. We're going to do it twice through because people asked if we could make this screen big. Okay, so we're going to do one time the hula with the words in front of you because I want you guys to practice singing it while you're dancing and practice your pronunciation. So you'll follow Kapili in the corner dancing and look at the words or either or. I know you can do both because you guys are all skilled. And then we're going to take the words away and you'll just see a big screen of us. Okay, and then you can really watch what Kapili is doing. Now, when you're dancing, I want you to make sure that you use your hands to follow your eyes, yeah? So when we do makau no, for instance, we're gonna follow our hands out like this, yeah? And you follow your hands. So you don't go like this, yeah? You don't see hula dancers not watching their hands. They always watch their hands. They lift it up, they look down, right? So you're gonna follow your hands. And I want you to make strong shoulders, strong arms. You're not making weak elbows like this. A lot of times people will do this and it just doesn't look very nice, yeah? So you wanna extend, strong, good posture. Remember we talked about the mana and holding yourself and aligning your piko. So we're gonna do that when we hula, okay? I'm gonna make it down on the floor and I'm gonna oli and do the mele. And I want you guys to sing along with me and follow Kapili. Okay, this is mele o hina and how hina blessed the island of Molokai with all of its fresh water, okay? Okay, eku iluna, ho'o makau, get your bodies ready. Makau,
Ai, he mele o hina.
Eli, hola, Eli, hola, Eli, hola, wapuka mai kawai, kapua hina, makau no, na pua, hanai, amolokai.
He mele o hina.
Okay, now we're gonna make a big screen with Kapili up close and personal. Let's make her big, Kalani. Can we make her big? I hope we can. Now, I hope you guys have all been practicing this on your spare time too. It's such a great way to just make yourself makau and ready and get all those ono energies. We're talking about the moon. So the goddess Hina, the mother of Molokai, she lives on the mahina and the moon. And So we want to just remember all those wonderful positive energies that she sends us, okay? Makaukau.
Ai, he mele o hina.
Eli, Eli. Eli, Eli, ihola. Eli, Eli, ihola. Eli, Eli, ihola. Wapukamai. Wapukamai, kawai. Wapukamai, kawai. Kawai, kapua. Hina. Makaukau. Makaukau no. Makaukau no. Makaukau no. Na pua. Ehanai. 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 Amolokai.
He mele o hina.
Woohoo! Mahalo. Mahalo, Kakili. That was so pretty. And I know you guys are improving every week. So thank you for trying so hard. And we're going to close up for today, as I always do. I'm going to sing my Ahui Ho song. And I would love if you joined me. Okay? Ahui Ho, Malama Pono. Ahui Ho, Malama Pono. Ahui Ho, Ene. Ahui Ho, Ene. Malama Pono, Ene. Ahui Ho, and I'll see you guys next week, Thursday.